I'm going to show you how to add some festive decorations to your Thanksgiving day. Nuts and pine cones, something really easy you can get out of nature and something that'll automatically ratchet up your fall decorations for Thanksgiving. There are a couple ways to get these. There are a bunch of different sort of fall items you can get to put around your house, be it on tablecloths, mantelpieces, etc. I mean, one of the great things is, pine cones. You can find these laying around your yard, or you can buy them in the store. But these are really, really great. We'll also want to make sure though, maybe you tap them out a little bit to make sure there's no dust or other debris in there that you don't want to be falling out on your table, or also maybe any bugs in there too. I tend to actually like to get them from the trees rather than the ground. Another thing, of course, are autumn leaves. You can get these real, or in this case, something that's like constructed, something threaded, so artificial. Again, there's probably plenty of supply of these right in your neighborhood where you can just go out and pick up some, and you can put it in a mantelpiece, maybe even do them in a circle, make a nice little centerpiece automatically. You also have a variety of nuts, chestnuts, acorns, a whole bunch of different things that you can basically put in there. Now, there are really two main trains of thought here. One, you can go out and pick this in your neighborhood and just get these guys and bring them in, put them on your tablecloth, wherever. Or you can actually, nowadays, certain stores will sell you like a nature collection. To each his or her own.